What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the Cookie Monster cookie recipe that went viral on TikTok, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 vegan chocolate bars, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of melted vegan butter, 1 cup of vegan semi-sweet chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of apple sauce, half a cup of white sugar, 1½ teaspoons of corn starch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some blue food coloring. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. Admittedly, they didn't come out as blue as I had hoped, so I'll be sure to use more blue food coloring next time. But here we have our vegan Cookie Monster cookies. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.